Are you looking for ways to estimate faster and create more accurate bids, budgets, and/or proposals? If so, we can help. Hi, my name is Jeff Knudsen, owner of Contractor Software Group. Since 1995, Contractor Software Group has been developing software for residential and light commercial construction. Today, Contractor Software Group has one of the only integrated but modular CRM, estimating, scheduling, and job cost accounting software products, along with a web portal to share job information with employees, vendors, and/or clients. In addition, we have CSG Central remote time card entry module to capture time in the field for processing payroll, job costing, and financial reporting. We offer 3 series of estimating products to speed up your estimating process and the creation of professional-looking proposals for the clients to sign. They include Simple Estimating, Takeoff Plus, and Takeoff Pro. You can purchase them or host them yourself, or we can host them in the cloud on a monthly basis. In this video, we're going to discuss how assemblies can speed up your estimating process. First, we're going to define what an assembly is in the context of estimating. Second, we're going to discuss how CSG's estimating assemblies can streamline the estimating process, saving you time while improving accuracy. And third, we're going to demonstrate the use of assemblies directly within a bid using CSG's estimating tools. An assembly, also referred to as a work package, is a predefined group of cost items commonly used together to construct a specific portion of a project, such as an 8-foot 2x4 interior wall or a 4-inch concrete slab. Assemblies help streamline estimating by bundling labor, materials, subcontracts, and other costs into one package. Assemblies are also used across all trades, including concrete, drywall, painting, electrical, plumbing, roofing, and landscaping. You name it, you can use assemblies in any construction business. CSG's assemblies accelerate your estimating process by converting a single takeoff measurement into multiple detailed cost items, including materials, labor, subcontracts, and other costs. With just one entry, assemblies automate complex calculations behind the scenes. By applying multipliers, waste factors, and rounding rules, each assembly converts the takeoff unit into precise quantities needed for ordering and budgeting. For example, when you enter 100 linear feet for an 8-foot 2x4 interior wall, the assembly breaks it down into studs and top and bottom plates, sheets of drywall, gallons of paint, labor hours and subcontractor costs, and even fasteners if you want to get into that type of detail. Our estimating software gives you the flexibility to estimate by stick, unit price, lump sum, and/or by assembly. You can also streamline your workflow by building bid sheet templates or leveraging past bids by merging them into new estimates to save time and boost accuracy. In this video, we'll demonstrate the power of assemblies and how they accelerate estimating and help you produce more consistent, detailed, and accurate bids and proposals with less effort. The first thing we're going to do is go into the Johnson bid and add 3 assemblies to the bid sheet. First, we'll click on the bid sheet, and we're going to right-click on the assemblies, and it's going to pull up a listing of all the assemblies. We can filter the assemblies by division, by subdivision, and/or by assembly, and/or by description. You'll click on the box next to the assemblies you want to pull in and hit the select button. Next, we're going to pull in a concrete slab. We're going to pull up the division concrete, and we're going to select the 4-inch concrete slab. All line items on the bid sheet are sorted by division and subdivision. Each line item on the bid sheet is assigned a division, subdivision, and a subdivision description, along with a description and a designated specification or scope of work, which can be edited or modified during the bidding process. You can also tag line items to be taken off with digital takeoff software. By tagging these line items, you can send them on over to digital takeoff software. So once you do your takeoffs of quantities and footages, it would automatically take those numbers and pull them back into that line item. You can also tag line items as an option which they will appear separately on a client proposal as an option or alternate. You can also enter in colors, which is useful for ordering visual organization and proposal printing. And finally, you can attach a picture like we did with the 4-inch concrete slab, which can be used for aiding estimators and enhancing proposal visuals. Next, we'll enter in their quantities. First, we'll enter in a 5,000 square feet of concrete slab. And we'll enter in 200 feet for the one wall and 100 feet for the other wall. Next, we'll click on the Recalc button. This will calculate the direct cost, the sales tax, bid total cost, sales price, gross profit margin, tax after bid, and the grand total. If we navigate into the ordering quantities and pricing screen, you'll see the system calculated costs and markup for 20 individual cost items, all based upon just 3 takeoff entries. That's far more efficient than manually calculating each item, and it's also more accurate than relying on flat unit pricing. Plus, as every estimator knows, you can't place a purchase order off a unit price. Next, we'll go back to the bid sheet and double click on an assembly. The assembly detail screen shows all the cost items broken down by division and subdivision and by location if you enter that on the bid sheet. It shows the item description, the cost type, which is labor, material, sub, the takeoff quantity, the multiplier, the ordering quantity, the unit of measure for the ordering quantity, and the unit cost, and also the vendor assigned to that unit cost. Another great feature of our estimating system is that it will subtotal all like items together for generating material lists and budgets by subdivision work. In this bid example, we had 2 similar assemblies in a bid with similar cost items. You can see this feature work when you generate a detailed cost report. In this report, it subtotal all the cost items by subdivision work, which is good for budgeting and for ordering quantities. In addition, our Takeoff Plus and Takeoff Professional will also take these ordering quantities and use these subtotals and generate purchase orders, subcontracts, work orders, and/or requests for quotes. This same report also records and calculates the overhead and profit to provide a complete sales price so you can go from takeoff to bid to ordering confidently and accurately. Thank you for watching this overview on Assemblies and our estimating products. As you saw, our assemblies streamline the bidding process and deliver more detailed, accurate estimates in less time. Unfortunately, we've only scratched the surface. There are many more powerful features built into our software designed to make your estimating more efficient and precise. To schedule a live demonstration, visit www.contractorsoftwaregroup.com and click on Schedule a Demo, or give us a call at 1-800-866-3083. You'd be glad you did. Thanks, and have a great day.